Hello, I'm Johnny Cash. Oh, hey, welcome back to another episode of Welcome to Blue Back Indoors channel. You think I know how to do this by now? Welcome to Blue Back Indoors channel with another episode of Dickin' Around in the Shed. Yep. What an intro. Found it. Action. That's what I was looking for. It's way back, take one, take two. Welcome to Blue Back Indoors channel, another episode of Dickin' Around in the Shed. Action. Oh, today I got some mail. This is the way it was shipped because nobody knew what was in the box. Oh, they didn't even put it in another box, but time you watch this, might be over with. Anyway, Black Friday sale. You order a battery charger for $9.99, or Ryobi battery charger. Get two batteries and a charger, and you get one free tool. And I wanted this, but they didn't come in at the same time. This came in today, and it's a white. Yeah. Oh, you can plug it in. Huh. Maybe I should have read the thing. So you can plug. Well, how can you plug it in? Oh, you can link them together, I guess. I don't know. I just thought it was. I wanted a light, so if I needed working somewhere and needed a light, I could have one. But look at all the tools this thing would work. I want all these and this, but it's got a plug here, but it's so you can link them together.
Yes, maybe I should read it before I start making a video, write a review. Operation 1-in-1 LED light. But if Happy Cake, you could, how's that gonna work? Huh? Don't tell me. Don't tell me. I'll read it. Be right back.
So, yeah. Oh, Archie. Ben said something about he's seen his postcard from Archie. Oh, me. But anyway, see, it's got a plug in it, and that's what kind of threw me for a loop. You can just plug in, and you don't need a battery. How you turn it on now? Where's the on switch? On switch. Oh, nope, that locks
that in. Don't buy something that you don't really. I mean, that's in. It's closed up. You don't know how to use. That's your holder, handle holder. Okay. Now I gotta go back and read the instruction again and find out how you turn the dang on. You can hang it on the wall. Oh. Huh. Alright then.
Oh, right there. On. Ooh, it's pretty bright. Woo-hoo, wee-woo. Wee-woo, wee-woo. I wonder how bright it is. Well, let's see today. Well, it's pretty bright, ain't it? Complete darkness. Yeah, that is pretty bright. Wonder how long it lasts with the. Oh, let's tell ghost stories. Oh, that's too late. God, I'm being silly. So that's the on switch. Oh, you know something else I just found out? Got mood light, mood light. On all the way. You got 3 settings. I can't really tell much about them. That's your romantic mood lightning. Where'd it go? Where am I? So we know how to turn that on and off now. There's a little light, but let's see what it does with the a battery. 3,000 lumens. Lumina. I get a battery. Alright, this is one of my first Ryobi one. It ain't the big extended life ones like I ordered. But there you go. Yeah. Let's see. If I stood way over here, it lights you up over there. And it's got, that way when I can go, if I'm working on something, I needed a portable light, I got one. And it's got 3 settings. That's your mood lightning. Mood lightning, I'm moody. Oh man, let's get on with what we're doing. Uh-oh. Oh. My back. Also, it's got a hole, like you could put it on a tripod. Yep. Don't know what this is for. Like I said, this is for screwing. You have like a hand on the wall, stick it in there, drop it down. That's probably what I'm fixing to do right now. That just gave me an idea. Alright, here what I did. I hung it right here because it's got them little cleats, little feet things. Perfect place for it. Can you see it right there? Maybe I should turn it around this way. Yeah, when you go that way, you slide it out more. So, that'll be alright. Good place for it, what you think? Alright. I use my Ryobi tool to... Alright. Take 462. I ordered this, well, I ordered that from Home Depot. Right in front of me. I ordered this off the eBay because I changed the lowers and my other ones wouldn't, they got me 2 Allen wrenches. So I ordered these. These are supposed to be like a long reach. My other ones are short reach, and this one got stuff in it. Now, so you can, my back hurts. Ah. Oh, me. Mo. Well, it just clicked off and said repairing my files. I didn't know my files need repairing, but I guess eBay that it does. Yeah. So let's put our. I don't know what that one's little. Oh, set there. Just out how high. Okay. Okie dokie. So you take this off with your Allen wrench and your Allen head, a hex head, Allen head. Stick this on, tighten it down. Pretty simple, right? Let's see if we can do it. Figure out which side goes on where. Where's that washer go? So first thing you need to do is figure that part out. I'm assuming it goes this way, like so. And so this goes, that goes that way. You gotta put the, yep. Oh man. Okay. It's more than one way to skin a cat. I don't know. Have y'all ever skinned a cat? I don't know, but that's what they say. Okay. Put that, and then that goes on that. And then you stick your bolt through like so. And I put it on backwards. Great. Or did I? I don't know. That's the I need a peg. Peggy. Can not take them off my... I sure didn't. That won't work. I had to take it out of here. Alright, more work. Because stick these on. Like so. That'll be out here like this. Huh. That'd be right. That's about all far you can pull them in. Unless you go up, then you. I guess that's the way it goes. Because if you turn it the other way, right? I don't know. I wasn't a fan of these kind of bent elbow ones. But I guess, because if that was turned the other way, the arm would be different, wouldn't it? I believe. Come along as we figure out it. Yeah, because you stick that on there like this, things will be going the other way. And that's up and down. Because if we put it on this way, it's on the wrong way it'll go. I got it. That's right. So maybe I should have put this on first. Let's do that. Yep. That's how you put your floors on. I mean, foot pegs, highway pegs. Takes you time to get those little metal washer spacers line up. Few choice words helps. It did with me. You bugger looking no good and trashy booger eating thing you, and it worked. There's a combination of foul language that helps stuff go together. You just gotta figure out what combination that is. Abracadabra, kimazoo, won't you work for me, you SOB. Son of a baker. Ouch. Alright, that's gonna be way too low. I ain't that long-legged. I ain't long-legged at all. That looks about right. Don't tighten them too tight, because you might want to tighten tighter than that. Ah, shoot. I think I might have a problem here. Because if I tighten it anymore, I'm going to break it probably. Because it's not wanting to clamp on that bar. Dang it. I let my super strength get the better of me. Nab it. I pulled threads out of this aluminum. But if you can't get it tight enough to lock on the thing so it won't slide, what good of having it? Don't ask me, I don't know. I've been told that home boat is mighty cold. Some short ones. I got some. That's some long ones. That's some Harley Davidson chrome ones. I knew I had some. I got a bunch of different kind of connections and all. There's what I was looking. That's the same thing except it's in chrome. Same length. Yep, same size. Except this is, if I could paint this black, yeah, right. But these have got a different clamp on them. So maybe I should just get the good stuff and stay off that evil bay. Yep. That screws are gone out of there. This one's got both. Well, back to the drawing board, but I'll show you something else I've been working on. I've been making letters. This is brought to you by Lithium-Ion. It's pretty nice. That turned out pretty good. And then the next part is an A, Roll Tide, Alabama, and a V for victory. Oh, yeah, here's what I've been, figure it out. Yeah, I'm making something. I'm making a maze. Whatever get discouraged and don't know your own strength, remember not to tighten up cheap aluminum tight. That's my gift for the day. So you go check out this video, that video right there. That one there, hit the subscribe button over here. Later. Oh, just a quick comeback. If you got the right stuff. I mean, I just tighten that by hand and it does not move. See? Hand. See, watch my hand? There. And it does not move. Yeah, get the right stuff.